Traders. People do not lose because of their strategy, guys, okay? It's one thing why people lose, and I will be revealing that at the end of the video, so stay tuned at the end of the video. You know what that is. So for the first segment, I thought we should go over what trading is not, right? So when we look at trading, trading is not gambling, all right? So when you start gambling, you're not trading, all right? Trading is not pressing the buy and sell button all day. You know what I'm saying? Trading is not copying these Telegram signals or whatever. It's not trading. You know what I'm saying? Like, none of that is trading what people make it out to be, right? And also, trading is not for a quick flip. You know, you put your little, change your hand, let me try to flip this. No, that's not trading, all right? So we got to know those red flags. We got to know those things is not trading before we can even become a trader, right? So be sure to write those things down in your notes and take your notes, and be sure take your notes throughout this whole video. But yeah, first segment, that's not real trading. All right, get out the way. And now we're gonna move into what trading is. What do it look like? All right. So when we think about trading is a probability-based business, right? That you're using risk management to get the best outcome for your trades. True trading is about waiting more than trading. It's about being an observer in the market. Going to window shop. You're going to be a window shopper, all right? You're not going to be a shopper. You're going to be a window shopper. If you like what you see, then you go pick the item. You know what I'm saying? That's all it is. And literally the last thing, bro, execution of your rules and following the system that you put out for yourself. That's the key. That's literally it. That's it. That's it, nigga. Follow the system. That's all you gotta do. That's it. That's all. So to sum it all up, trading is just doing boring things over and over and over and over. True trading, disciplined trading, is doing the same thing over and over, executing the same trade over and over, making the same amount of money over and over. That's trading. Is boring. It's not going for the big wins. You know what I'm saying? It's going for the consistent wins, not the big wins. You know what I'm saying? You got to understand that. Take down your notes. And now for the next segment, I want to talk about the reality check, what trading really is, all right? It's not you're winning every trade. No, it's none of that. It's none of that at all. Because for one, losses is a part of the game. You feel what I'm saying? If you don't know how to lose, you can't be a trader. Trading is becoming the best loser you can possible. You know what I'm saying? So losers are normal. Having drawdown, being in drawdown, it's normal. It's okay. It's okay. You're not going to get every trade and it's no drawdown, man. You got to understand the market, that sometimes you got to give the market a little bit to play out your trade. And for that motherfucker butt, you know what I'm saying? That's all it is, bro. That's all it is, bro. Just wait. We'll draw down and go scare you, nigga. Now, if it's your asset, it's cool. That's why you did risk management. You feel what I'm saying? These risk management, the system, the rules you set for yourself is in play all for your emotions before you trigger them, right? Because when you're in a relationship, you set boundaries. Why? Because if they overstep the boundaries, you will be triggered, okay? Same thing for rules, baby. Same thing. So the moral of that is just to be able to survive and trade the next day, right? It's being in the moment, but not being in the moment of today, being in the moment of, hey, I got to at least survive today so I can trade next year, so I can trade tomorrow, so I can trade the next year. You know what I'm saying? That's what it is. So keep in mind, your goal isn't to win today. Your goal is to be able to trade next year, trade tomorrow, trade next week, trade tomorrow. That's the goal. And hopefully all y'all taking y'all notes, but I go over all that just to say, you know, just with my journey, I've been trading for 5 years. 5 years. And literally, my mistakes has literally cost me so much. And I go over all these to like let y'all know, like, I could have shortened my mistakes from just keeping things simple, right? The more simple, the more profitable you would be. I promise you. Like through all my years, it's like I soon realized, like, wow, I used to, you know, try all these indicators, try all these strategies, you know, try all these when it really wasn't the strategy. You know, it was me the whole time. It was the way I was thinking the whole time. It was my perception the whole time, you know, the way I thought about things. But when I started to look for simplicity, things cleared in my mind, kept things simple. So now, like, I don't even trade with indicators now, you know what I'm saying? Just straight to the basket. And I understand that it's me. I understand it's me. It's not the strategy. It's not the rules. It's me and how I execute my rules and how I follow my plan. So that's why I teach structure now. That's why I teach psychology now, because I lost before, you know what I'm saying? And I don't want to see my peoples lose. I want to see them jump off the boat, ready to go, ready to dive head first, you know what I'm saying? Straight up. Real shit, nigga. Real shit, nigga. We real traders, nigga. But yeah, man, y'all definitely stay tuned. Definitely in the next video, I will be breaking down the difference between Forex and futures so you guys can have a clear understanding on those. To me personally, I think they're both similar, but I will be breaking down those two things. So stay tuned in the video. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment on the video, man. Stay tuned. Bucket Trades back at it. And TYT to the moon, bro.